Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Windows error, the unexpected kernel more trap, and let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Now check my description. I'm given two commands guys. Copy the first command, tap the bar, right click, eject, paste, press enter. You want to select advanced, apply repair automatically. You want to check mark here and click next. Close the troubleshooter guys and copy the next command over here, my description. Copy it and tap the bar, right click eject plus paste, press enter. Check your computer memory problems, restart now and check problems. You want to click here guys, run restart anyway. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.